Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Highlander headlight. Open the hood and secure it, disconnect the negative battery cable, and locate the headlight assembly. Remove the plastic cover, unplug the wiring harness, and unclip the bulb socket carefully. Replace the bulb by handling glass with gloves, reattach the socket, secure the cover, reconnect the battery, and test the beam alignment before closing the hood. Start by removing screws and trim pieces around the headlight area, keeping screws organized for reassembly. Gently pull the assembly forward enough to reach the bulb socket and wiring harness. Press the harness tab and wiggle the connector free while supporting the assembly to prevent strain. If removal is obstructed, remove nearby fasteners or the bumper cover for better access. Keep parts in a safe place to avoid losing small clips. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control and smart maps, so you spend less time sweeping after your repair. It's compact, efficient, and ready to keep your garage tidy while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the new bulb with gloves or a clean cloth and inspect the connector for corrosion or damage. Line up the bulb tabs with the socket, push it in firmly, and rotate to lock it securely. Reconnect the wiring harness and temporarily reconnect the battery to test the light for proper operation and alignment. Once confirmed, reinstall the assembly, fasten screws and clips, and fully reconnect the battery before lowering the hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.